ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. It is designed to simulate human-like conversations by generating responses to user inputs. ChatGPT has been trained on a vast amount of text data from the internet, including books, articles, and websites, in multiple languages. The model works by processing the user's input and generating a response based on the context and content of the input. It uses a technique called deep learning to analyze and understand the text, and then generates a response that is most likely to be relevant and useful to the user. ChatGPT is based on a transformer architecture, which allows it to process and generate text in a more sophisticated way than earlier language models. It uses a technique called attention to focus on the most relevant parts of the input text, and then uses that information to generate a response. The training process for ChatGPT involves exposing the model to a large amount of text data and allowing it to learn the patterns and relationships within the data. This process is repeated over and over again, with the model being adjusted and refined each time, until it reaches a high level of accuracy and fluency. Once the model is trained, it can be used to generate responses to user inputs in real time. ChatGPT has been integrated into a number of chatbot platforms and messaging apps, allowing users to interact with it in a natural and intuitive way. Overall, ChatGPT is an impressive example of how artificial intelligence can be used to simulate human-like conversations and provide valuable assistance to users in a wide range of contexts.